Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Encoder Commune. I am Suvam. Today I am going to start a new lecture series on the algorithm. In algorithm, we will first talk about the searching, then sorting, then greedy algorithm, then graphs, then a string algorithm, then dynamic programming. So we will go through each one of them. And so today I will talk about the linear search. So let's get started with that. And I'll use a language for implementation of this algorithm in Python. So let's get started. So what is a linear search? So linear search is used on a collection of items and it relies on the technique of traversing a list from a start to the end of the list, exploring properties of all the elements that are found on the way. Means सपोज हमारे पास की इक्वल टू 5 है. अब मेरे को 5 को सर्च करना है एक एरे में. एक एरे दिया हुआ है, लिस्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट दिया हुआ है. अब मेरे को 5 को सर्च करना है उस एरे में एंड मेरे को पता करना है कि वो 5 किस पोजीशन पे अकर. सो अपन क्या करेंगे कि अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे 0 पोजीशन से, मतलब स्टार्ट ऑफ द एरे एंड वी विल गो टू द एंड ऑफ द एरे until and unless we found that की. सो अपन 5 को सर्च करने चले. 5 को सर्च करेंगे, फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे नहीं मिला, सेकंड पोजीशन पे नहीं मिला, थर्ड पोजीशन पे नहीं मिला, फोर्थ पे गए नहीं मिला, फिफ्थ पे गए नहीं मिला. नाउ दिस इज दैट सिक्स पोजीशन एंड कंपेयर दैट 5 इज इक्वल टू दैट द सिक्स पोजीशन ऑफ एलिमेंट, दैट इज द 5. या दैट इज, देन वी विल रिटर्न दैट पोजीशन इक्वल टू 6. so that is the linear search. Suppose we don't find that element, suppose there is no that element is present, so what will be occur that time? So that will be, we will give the condition that is that key is not found in array. So here you can see the pseudocode. Pseudocode is the first we will create a for loop and we will iterate over the array. We will start from the array and go to the end of the array, and then we will write a condition where current element of that array is equal to 5 or not. If equal, then that we will print that current index. That is the linear search. So let's get started and let's see an example. So here is a given a question. So you have been given an array of size n consisting of integers. In addition, you have been given an element m. You need to find and print the index of the last occurrence of this element m. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि ये नहीं करना है कि 1 किस इंडेक्स पे है, यहाँ पे ये पता करना है कि 1 आखिरी बार कौन से इंडेक्स पे आया था. तो सपोज 1 यहाँ पे है तो अपन सर्च करने चले, तो 1 फर्स्ट टाइम तो आ रहा है फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे, देन लास्ट टाइम आ रहा है ये 5th पोजीशन पे, तो मैं 5th पोजीशन को रिटर्न कर दूंगा. So let's get started and write the code for in the Python 3.8. So first line is consist of the n and key. So I have written the n and key map int input dot split, and now we will take a list of element l equal to list map int input dot split, and then we will iterate over the list. So we will create a for loop for I in range will be from 0 to n, and then we will write a condition if li ith position of the element of list equal to key or not. If equal, then what we will do, here we will initialize index equal to 0. So what we will do, just return the index. So index equal to I. Okay, now just come out of the loop and just print the index. So that will be, let's compile it. What's the problem? Okay, here is not including the speed. Yeah, that's it. Now compiled. Okay, for क्यों आ रहा है? Because of the we have for loop in the Python is starting from the 0 and go to the end of n. So n यहाँ पे exclusive है, inclusive नहीं. That's why 4 आ रहा है यहाँ पे. अपन यहाँ पे +1 कर देंगे. ओके, Now just compile it. Yeah, you can see the 5 output is 5. So at the fifth position 1 is occurring at the last time. So now just submit the code and see test case is passing or not. Yeah, so all test case passed. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and understand the problem of linear search. In the next tutorial we will talk about the binary search. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming updates. Thank you.